Hi there. Here's how you add a Facebook account to your Tailwind. So you're going to go up here where you have a drop down menu. I have two accounts, my photography and my Pinterest. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to say add social account. Then I'm going to add a Facebook page. And it's going to go by your personal account. And then once you click continue, we're going to continue as this is my personal. And then I'm going to select which one I want. So I want Jen Vasquez photography. And I have a second because I have two accounts. I'm going to pick Jen Vasquez Media. All right. Then I say save. For you, you're going to select one, right? Because you have one for your account. So now I just go into the draft that I have that I want to schedule. And then I select the board, I select the date, and then I'm going to select Facebook page. And you want to put in a description. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this description in from the blog post. And then I'm going to save changes. And then I'm going to go ahead and schedule. So once you add your Facebook page, every time you do a pin on Pinterest, you can also cross post it to Facebook. Enjoy.